Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what Robinhood is and how it works. Robinhood is a US-based financial services company known for pioneering commission-free stock trading through its mobile app and website. Its mission is to democratize finance, making investing accessible to everyone, especially younger and novice investors. So, how does it work? First, Robinhood offers commission-free trading. This means you can buy or sell stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies without paying a fixed commission fee for each trade. This was a major change in the brokerage industry, and many competitors followed suit. Second, it allows for fractional shares. This feature lets users invest in small parts of a stock, even if they can't afford a full share, often starting with as little as $1. This makes high-priced stocks accessible to investors with smaller budgets. Third, Robinhood's platform is highly focused on a simple, intuitive user experience. It's designed to be easy to use, especially on a mobile phone, making it popular for quick transactions and tracking basic portfolio performance. Now, if they don't charge commissions, how does Robinhood make money? The primary way is through a practice called payment for order flow, or PFOF. When you place a trade on Robinhood, they route that order to market makers, large trading firms, who execute the trade. These market makers pay Robinhood a small fee for the right to execute the order. They also generate revenue from Robinhood Gold, a premium subscription service that offers features like larger instant deposits and margin trading, which is borrowing money to invest. Additionally, they earn interest on the uninvested cash held in user accounts. In summary, Robinhood revolutionized investing by offering commission-free trades and fractional shares on a user-friendly platform. It's a key player in modern retail investing, lowering the barrier to entry for millions. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.